I'm going to show you how to make some simple decorative shelf brackets that use a stopped sliding tapered dovetail. This is a technique that a lot of people shy away from because they think it's very difficult, but if you can cut normal dovetails, you can definitely cut one of these sliding dovetails. The hardest part is cutting the dovetailed mortise into what would be the pin board on a normal dovetail, because you have to cut on multiple angles. But I will show you two ways you can do that. That will make it a little bit easier for you. If you have keen eyes, you'll notice that one of the pieces of wood I'm using has a very large crack in it. This is oak I'm using, and it's very hard. And this is just going to be a rack for hanging some kendo gear on to dry out that I'm going to use in my home. It's not for a client or anything like that. So I'm just going to use this wood with the crack in it, and I will show you a little technique for mitigating that crack later on down in the video. I also do some very simplistic carving. I carve a little scroll on the end of the brackets just to make them look nice. I'm not a very good wood carver. It's something that I've just started recently, but I show you in the end of the video how I go about doing it. I don't have any subtitles or anything on that part of the video because, like I said, I'm not an expert and I don't really want to give advice on carving because there are a lot of other people out there that are much better at it than I am. So I will stop narrating now and just let you watch the video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you could hit the like button for me, I always appreciate it. Thanks very much. Thank you.